Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, and somebody said to me, why don't you do an unboxing video? They seem to be quite popular. Well, this is us unboxing. We're unboxing the boxes that have the boxes in. And these are obviously Joseph Cheaney, and I do love my Joseph Cheaneys. And what have we got here? We have got Tiger Moth in a kudu leather. So, here we go. Oh!
I've already been in it.
Oh no!
I've already been in it.
I'm not unboxing it. Oh gosh!
I can't wait.
So,
I've got other one.
the other one is on the shelf apparently.
But,
wow! Look at that. That is beautiful. So we will go looking at the boot all around it, just making sure everything is good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the welt here, look to make sure all the welt is lovely, because that welt is so important and you should be doing this. Checking the welt, make sure when this boot is ready for its repair, there's plenty of welt there, that it's not been in the factory and it's been over machined. We don't see that from Cheaney. We see it from some brands, but not Cheaney. That is beautiful. So that's the first one there, the Tiger Moth. Beautiful, beautiful boot. Next one we have there, all Tiger Moths, the Avon C. C standing for Commando, with the grained leather. And Glenn's not beat me to this one. And again, look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful shoe. Lovely country shoe. Fully leather lined. Just as it should be. All the beautiful eyelets. Again, checking the welt. Everything on there is lovely. Fabulous. So, we will be going through all of these shoes, checking them, making sure everything's great. Avon again, but this time in the dark leaf. Let's have a look. Doesn't feel very big. That's, yep, day-night sole. Fabulous welt. Lovely lining. Eyelets good.
My favourite shoe in the shop, that.
Facings line up beautifully. Lovely. Right, so what else do we have over here? We have, oh, that's another Avon. Over here we have a Tamar.
Been in that one as well.
You've been in this one as well, Glenn. You beat me to it. Pull-on boot. Oh, yes. Lovely. Checking the welt. Check the sole. Everything looks good. The gussets look good. Pull tabs, lovely, stitched down in the diamond. That's what we like to see on the back of these boots. Yep. That's lovely. And what else do we have? We have Tamar dark leaf here. Not beat me to this one. So the same boot, the same brogue boot, not in the grained leather. This is the dark leaf, and this colour. Wow. The dark leaf has changed a little bit. The colour has, this is quite a rich burgundy colour on the dark leaf there. It used to be slightly brown, but we do like this new colour, the new dark leaf. Fabulous. And again, checking the welt, everything looks good. Day-night sole, Cheaney's own day-night sole on there. Lovely. Have you got that? Fabulous. The joys of working at Shoe Healer.